Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove secret chat on Telegram. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Telegram provides numerous features for secure communication, including secure chat. This option offers end-to-end encryption for maximum privacy. However, you may want to delete a secret chat at some point, and in this video, I will show you how to do it. So first of all, we have to open our Telegram. As you can see in here, I have one secret chat. If you want to delete it, you can just tap and hold and tap on the delete icon in here, and you'll find there is an option. Are you sure you want to delete your secret chat with this person? You can also choose if you want to also delete for your friends. Now you can just tap on delete. So now you have removed the secret chat from your Telegram. And what if you want to start a secret chat again? You can just open it and tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. Open your friends, and you'll find there is an option start secret chat. You can just tap on that to start the secret chat. So simple, right? So that is how to delete secret chat on Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.